My name's Dan Murphy. I head up the sales development team here at CultureAmp. I think there's a big shift, right? Everyone is now texting and inbox is becoming crowded. Just generally, everything's getting faster. They're getting data faster, they're getting quotes faster. We need to be faster. And for me, Troops is that tool that's going to enable our org to respond quickly to our prospects and leads, rather than a Salesforce report, which is going to be a batch cycle, a rep reviewing and calling people.
One of the main reasons that we looked into using Troops was because we were building all these great dashboards. These big, beautiful dashboards that we thought had the right insights and components for the team, but no one was really looking at them or leveraging them. We did try to schedule the dashboards with Salesforce, but Salesforce has some limited capabilities on scheduling there.
That everybody needs data out of Salesforce, but not everybody has access to the same sorts of things within Salesforce or even knows how to use it in the same way. So one of the biggest challenges we have is how do you share information with whole teams of people that they can take action on as they go.
I believe the most valuable part of Troops is that it's actionable and also that it's real time. So we are putting our most important leading indicators and our signals directly in front of the recipient that needs to act on it when it happens, so that we're not relying them to go into a dashboard and check on it themselves.
So it's helping us move into that world of responding real time and ultimately beating our competition. I think the big question with any new tech is the adoption piece for the user. Because if it's difficult and complicated, you got to run training and then you got to run more training. The thing I like about Troops is that the user interface is Slack and they use it every day.
We actually use it to trigger a lot of workflows. We trigger everything from when a new customer comes in, we want to assign account manager, we want to assign the people science person that's covering it. We use it for a lot of information. So it is critical to our workflow and it's made our workflow more seamless.
Our data hygiene is much cleaner. We have some cleanup components on our dashboards, and generally those have very few items in there. Part of the reason being Troops notifies the team if something needs to be updated. Other results, since the data is cleaner, the pipeline meetings run a little bit smoother. Things are in the right stage, they have the right close date. Execs have already been notified in advance if there's a big deal so that they're aware of it and they've probably already had some conversations on it.
If speed and urgency is important in your sales process, Troops just has to be part of that.
I'd say it's first class. We've really been blown away by the onboarding experience, the support experience, but also how they're willing to listen to our product suggestions and they're very thoughtful about where the product's going.
I would personally recommend Troops to every team. Business is moving fast, customers are moving fast, you need to move faster, and you need to be trusting your people to be able to do what they need to do to be most effective. It's just getting to a point where you need something like Troops to be able to make sure that your people can do that.